Remarkable property. Multi-generational, includes a full family property with a main home replaced by this builder owner using the original footprint. The property includes a 3-unit, fully rented building in addition to the main home. Main home has a 3-car garage and an in-law suite on the first floor, offering many vacation possibilities. Upgrade included that you would expect a contractor to add in his own home. Heated floors in the garage and first floor. Multiple shower heads and primary bath, high-tech wiring, etc. 2 outdoor gas lines for grill. March 17, 2025. For more information, review the details below.